let's draw an Easter bunny. Here we go. A big hoppity hopping Easter bunny right about here. Let's do the side of his face there. And then we'll bring this one back up like this. There we go. Let's give him an old tuft of hair right about here. That's nice. Maybe some big old floppy ears right about here. Bring them on up like that. Right in there like that. There we go, and we'll continue this one up here like that. And on this side, we'll bring this ear up like that. How is that looking? Pretty good, okay. Fill in the inside of his ear right about here. That's looking nice. Okie doke. Now we can draw his furry face. So let's bring his whisker on bits down like that. Right around here like that. Same on the other side. 1, 2, little bits of fur. Come on down like that. And we'll leave this spot for his chin. Right about there. Alright, let's give him a cute little cuddly nose. Like a V with a top on it. There we go. Maybe a little snout. Right around like that. Well, looking nice. Bunny rabbits. Bunny rabbits for Easter. Here we go for his eyes. 1 and 2 circles. This is looking really nice. We'll give him a highlight in his eye right about here. And then we can draw his pupil in like this. Alright. Color in his eye like that. That's nice. And let's give him a big old smile, will we? Make a U and another U right like that for a W. Little cheek fun bits right about there. And a big old happy face. There we go. Maybe some buck teeth. Looking good with a bit of a tongue around there. And let's not forget some eyebrows. 1, 2. Alright, hippity hop, here we go. Let's draw a tie for him. Maybe a bow tie, eh? Right about here. There we go. Looking good, everybody. Another bit of the tie right about here. And we'll make a little swirly bit to make it look like it's all folded up like. That's nice. Alright, here we go. Big old belly on the bunny rabbit. Coming around like that. Maybe we'll give him a little hop in his leg right here, a little bendy bit. Bunnies have big old feet, don't they? 1, 2, maybe 3 toes for a bunny rabbit. There we go, hippity hoppy Easter bunny. There we are. Join up the foot there. Alrighty. Now what we can do is bring his other leg up here. Let's do that right now. Hippity hop, right? Jumping around. That's what they do when they're delivering their eggs. Let's give them some toes here. 1, 2, and 3. And we'll join that all up like this. Right about there. Bring that on up. Very nice, everybody. Let's do it so we get the bottom part here all figured out. Swirly up like that. And what we'll do is we're going to give him a bit of a belly. Right about here. We're going to join all our pieces up like that with a big old belly. Join that leg up a bit like that. Looking good, people. Okie dokie. Continue the belly up like that. Right up to that side of the tie. There we go. Now what we're going to do is maybe give him a bit of a vest. Here we go. So he's wearing a vest right about here. Maybe we'll do the same on this side right about here. Looking nice. Let's give him some big old arms because he's having a good old time, isn't he? Hippity hopping around with his hand like this. There's his thumb. Bit of a palm. And his fingers. 1. Let's give him 3 fingers for the bunny rabbit. Easter bunny he is. And around like that. Same on the other side. Bring the arm in like that. 1, 2 arm bits all joining together with a thumb here. And another 3 fingers there. Looking very nice, everybody. Pull it around like that. And we've got our Easter Bunny. Pink for the body and fur and tongue. Dark pink inside the ears and the nose. Purple for the tie and vest. And red for the inside of the bunny's mouth. Happy Easter, everyone!